Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to download Linux operating system, download and install, make a bootable USB drive, and how to install in step-by-step process. So let's get started. First of all, you need to open a Google Chrome and type in Linux and then go on to the home page. Linux operating system it requires minimum of 2 GB RAM and 20 GB of hard drive. If it's more than is better. So click on download and then you can download the mirror version. So got cinnamon edition, XFCE edition and matte edition. So this is the more convenient one and the newest operating system, and matte is classic traditional from 2006 to 11. So I'm going to click on download cinnamon edition. Now if you can download the torrent download, which size is 3 GB, or you can scroll down and download mirrors like ISO file. I'm going to go on to United Kingdom as I'm based in United Kingdom. So wherever you are from, just select the country and click on the user profile and the download will start. So I'm going to pause this download as I have downloaded it already here. I'm going to pause it. Now once the download is complete, it will be on your downloaded folder. Linux Mint 22.1 Cinnamon 64-bit. So once that complete, you open the browser again and then type in Rufus. Make sure you go on to the right website, so rufus.ie. I will be adding a link on the description. You can check it out. So download latest releases is 4.7. So just click on that. It will start download. It's done. So now we'll go to downloads. Now right click on it and then run as administrator. Click yes. Now put the USB drive in. So once you put USB drive in, this will come here and then select the ISO image. Go on to downloads and select the Linux Mint you downloaded. Click open. And now if you can partition scheme, you can select MBR or GPT. I'll leave it as MBR. You can change that to NTFS and then click start. Write ISO image mode recommended. Click OK. Yes. Press OK. Now wait for this process to complete. It shouldn't take more than 2 minutes depending on your computer speed. So once it says ready, just close the window and remove the USB drive and put in your new laptop where you want to install the Linux operating system. So once the USB drive is ready, just plug into your computer or laptop you want to install Linux on, then press the power button and select the boot menu from the option. This is a Dell laptop, so I'm pressing F12 for boot menu. Select USB and then start Linux Mint. Click enter. Now the Linux has booted up, so you can use it from the USB as it is, or if you want to install it on your hard drive, just press on install Linux Mint, double click it, now select English and click continue. English UK, wherever you are, just select your country, continue. Now select the Wi-Fi drive, so you can just click I don't want to connect to a Wi-Fi network right now and click continue, or if you want to connect to your Wi-Fi, just you can start connecting from here. Install multimedia codecs. You can select it or unselect it and click continue. Now erase disk and install Linux Mint. So I'm going to erase the disk and click install now. Continue. Select your region. And press enter. Then click continue. Your name, you can select any name. I'm going to use a user. Password, you can select your password or just select login automatically. Just type in any password. Continue. So once the installation is complete, you can remove the USB drive and restart the computer. So I'm going to restart it now. That's the it's load up to a home page. Just close it. Your Linux operating system is ready. I hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.